Hey everyone, welcome back to Jacinta's World. Today I'm sharing a delicious Kenyan meal, fried beef with onions and hoho, served with our all-time favorite ugali. Here are our ingredients. We're going to use 2 onions and of course hoho. We're going to chop them well, and don't forget mafuta jamani. Msisahau mafuta hupika. Start off by boiling our beef. So we're going to add water so that it makes it soft, nice, tender. Yeah. Add in our salt, for that flavor, because we're not going to use any other thing apart from the things that I've mentioned. Our beef is ready, so we're going to use a different pan, so that the water itabaki hapo, maji yanakuwa yamebaki hapo ya hiyo yenye tumetoka kuchemsha na nyama yakabaki. We're going to use it later. It's not much, it's very little, so we're going to use a different pan. Yeah, and that's my fun. Niko na koroga ndo yani ishike, yani sufuria iwe moto so that hatuna maji. So we're going to add in our oil and tutakoroga tukigeuza. So we'll keep on, turning the meat until it gives us the color we want before we add in our onions. And look at that! It's time! It's time! So we're going to add in our onions. Yeah, the one we had chopped earlier. And give it a proper stir. add in our hoho, the one we had chopped here. You're going to add them in. Ile supu tulikuwa tumebaki na kidogo, yani so that you can just like cook in, but it's not going to haribu anything because nimerealize ina mafuta, so wacha inini tu. Yeah. Funika for a while, just let everything cook down. And look at our beef. Oh, yamani. Look at it. Everything is well cooked. And of course, it's fried. Look at it. It's just giving. Oh my god. Ah, it's giving. Yamani, wait. It's giving. Now let's prepare the ugali. Bring the water to boil, then slowly add maize flour while stirring to avoid lumps. You keep stirring until it thickens and cover. Don't cover my ugali, but yes, let it cook for a few minutes and done. That is how we make ugali. Anyway, hakuna formula ugali because I know everyone is a cook. And yes, very right. And here we go, our beef fried with onions and hoho, served with hot soft ugali, simple and flavorful, perfect for any day. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Jacinta's World, and don't forget to leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye.